Hey, what's up everybody, Sam here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Redmi Pad. Yeah, no, it was released some time ago, but this is the Chinese version. And yeah, I will walk you through the specs, the designs, and my first impression. Yeah, that's it. Without further ado, let's get started. Redmi Pad, Dolby Adams, alright. The sound should be fine, should be really good, alright. Very strange, no specs like on the packaging or something. Okay, anyway, let's just get it naked. Alright, here, the bag for the Pad, alright. This is the Pad. Wow, feels premium actually, really premium. I mean, well, just check out. Okay, let's put aside. We'll take a look later. And what else we got? We got the Type-C and also the charger. The charger, the maximum is 22.5 watts, and that's the unboxing. No pain or something. So no pain, just nothing, or that's just for packaging. Okay, that's the unboxing. And wait, I just noticed they have a really good case. Really good quality case. Solid, rigid. Yeah, should protect your Pad really well. I'm not sure how much is it. Now moving to the Pad, I'll walk you through the design first. Here we have nothing on this side. Here we have the speaker and also the Type-C. Okay, we have a SIM card slot here. Actually, it's not a SIM card slot or something. It's just for SD card expansion, alright? Also the volume key, power key here on top, Dolby Adams, so the sound should be really great. Here's the camera module, 80 megapixel. Oh really? 80 megapixel, okay. It scared me. Okay, the sound test.
你确定？大家好。
我叫纳西达。
The black border enormous. Alright, as my camera is auto battery, so just list the specs on the screen, alright? And that's a simple video. Thanks for watching. Right, that's the unboxing and hands-on of the Redmi Pad. And I think with only around 150 US dollars, that's really a no-brainer, you know. If you want a cheap or best price Pad, just go and get this one. Do you think Geekbuying should get this on the website? Let me know, alright? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.